How's breakfast going?
Very well, thanks. Got a little eggs.
Go.
Hi guys, how's the sail? You're looking pretty professional.
Some jazz on Sunday morning. And get that hat there. There we go, Rudy 08. There we go. Good job, Aaron.
I'm just
Liz. Say hi. Glam for the cam. Woohoo!
Sunday.
I'm on a boat.
Okay, and here is the madness. The madness, which is the Barcelona Beach Party.
First language, Portuguese.
Yeah?
Bravo.
Hey, are you camera shy today? Not really?
Where can I find the bumpers? We need another bumper.
Okay.
Okay.
You're in this image.
Thank you. Camera.
Hello. Nice boat,
It's
John.
great. Thank you.
I like it. Let's go.
How you doing?
The video camera.
Jennifer, you want a drink?
Camera shy people on deck there. Hey, Liz.
Okay, I want you to line up every single nationality and do that and all the rest. And then he said, and I told him what I have, and he said, no Saxon.
I should tell you something so hilarious.
What?
I'm
Secret?
not telling you to the camera. I thought you were.
Burns.
Say hi to the camera. Hi. Have fun. Everybody smile. Marge, you're funny. Smile. Number on the list so we can send you the video of the boat. So we're gonna have a really good video
On YouTube.
on YouTube. For an investment bank, if you work for an investment.
Sounds awful.
Brand
Hot
champagne.
girls everywhere and
Girls,
parties.
you're just pouring
Why
champagne
did you
everywhere.
why'd you go?
Blake, it was like first of
She wants.
Okay, we're good.
Very unselfish.
You record. Hello.
Say, I'm the captain.
Hey, Captain John hanging out in the blue ship. Beautiful sunny day.
Go out again. Same thing at night.
Date, name of boat, location.
Dinner and then.
Nobody
says anything to say. The guys are the hottest guys.
They're very blonde.
As if you want to hear what they want to say.
Well,
I don't.
Well, I've got a sampling there.
But guys there.
I know it was a story.
Hey, ladies.
Colors and embroidered red roses on there, just kind of wild. And we'll all be fired on Tuesday.
Hey, welcome.
You're a chicken head. You're a chicken head.
Beleza pura.
What do you think?
Blake and Josh.
Denise, what do you say?
I said, I like a lot. Watch out for the
Josh is already overboard.
water.
I could have threaded her with 2 pounds of insecticide for a nice woman.
Hey, guys. Say smile for the camera.
It's all one touching.
Wait, prisoners. Oh no!
Take it all off.
Who has to knock?
No, I'm not going to do that. You're getting enough publicity.
Don't arrest it!
Dock up. Dock up.
Britney Spears. Courtney Love.
baby, I can get through the bathroom.
I changed the locks on the bed.
I can sleep in the doghouse, that's alright.
You know what, baby? I changed the phone number. I put you down a bit, you back up again. You ain't nothing without me, sweetheart.
The Nancy Atlas Project. Let's see for Winston Irene. Well, hold my rhythm in my shoes. When you sitting home singing the blues, be my guest, you got nothing to lose. Hooey, baby, hooey, hooey, baby, don't you let me down. Well, I feel right on you, I don't know what to do with blues. I know my baby from where I work, be my guest, you got nothing to lose. Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Hooey, hooey, baby, hooey, hooey, baby, hooey, hooey, baby, won't you let me take you on a sea cruise?
That's not what I meant. This time you gave me a chance to put my pants on.
YouTube. Be on YouTube tomorrow.